Go ahead.
Hey everybody, it's Megan.
And Garrett.
And we are trying out today's Shaker and Spoon. It is a subscription box for making cocktails. You just have to pair in your own liquor. We chose our favorite rum, which is Papa Pilar's blonde rum. Papa Pilar's blonde rum.
Papa's Pilar. Is it Pilar? Pilar?
Pilar.
We have Papa's Pilar blonde rum.
Blonde.
It's quite blonde. Yes, it's from the Ernest Hemingway Distillery in Key West.
Super cool.
Big fans, delicious.
Very big fans.
We have not opened it yet, so let's see what's inside. Ooh.
Okay.
So we got fresh limes, coconut milk. Ooh, I've never seen this brand. It looks like super legitimate.
Yeah, it's like canned. That's awesome. Pure coconut water. Ooh, blood orange.
Ooh, rich matcha syrup. I love matcha, and I feel like that's gonna be good with coconut milk.
And you got the blood orange guava here. This would pair well with
Tamarindo syrup.
1 nutmeg seed.
Ooh.
1.
You're a nutmeg?
You're a nutmeg.
You could call me a nutmeg. Angostura? I don't know how you say it, but I'm familiar with the bitters.
And then you've got some cocktail, chipotle cocktail spice here. This little guy here.
Ooh, interesting.
It looks like a medicine bottle.
Citric saline solution. You can put it in your cocktail or in your eyes.
Or in your eyes. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Some flaky salt.
Let's see. Okay, this looks like
sugar cane?
Is that sugar cane?
Yeah, sugar cane sticks.
Sugar cane sticks.
Yeah, so
that's
we got
cool.
sugar cane sticks here, some freeze-dried sugar cane sticks. Very nice.
This looks like it's like avocado.
Oh. Ooh.
Like minced avocado. Do I see
like powdered avocado.
An avocado margarita in our future?
Oh,
perhaps.
Please.
Can you make a margarita with rum?
Are we making the drink now?
Yeah, let's make one. Choose one.
Yeah.
We've got our recipes. I really feel like I want the one with matcha, but we'll see like how complicated it is. Some of them I can't read their names, but I'm gonna try. We have the avocado colada, which I assume is where the avocado powder is coming in, and it is, and the matcha syrup, and the Thai coconut milk. I mean, I'm just saying. And then this one, I'm gonna butcher, the Deacachimba. Deacachimba.
Oh, you did that one pretty good.
Deacachimba.
That's got the blood orange guava marmalade. Get it?
That sounds really good.
You get it?
I want to do that one. I want to do the guava one.
No, I want the avocado. And then the Kiss of the Oceans, which is the
rum.
tamarindo syrup, the bitters, sea salt flakes, and the sugar cane stick.
I like the sugar cane stick.
Well, we've all
now
had
we all have
different
different
answers.
answers. Now, how do we pick?
Wait, there's more.
Oh.
Wait, this is, nope. The Rums of Origin 3, which sounds like a mystery. Oh, that's the total box code. That's the name of the box. Rums of Origin 3. Right.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
which one are we making? What did you decide on?
Deacachimba. Or is it chimba or chumba?
Chimba.
Chimba.
Deacachimba. Sounds like a chant, I don't know. Shake your hips through the colorful, kinetic Miami nightlife scene and join up with Stephen Miner, who's using the Florida Keys to open a portal to the wild biodiverse wonders of the surrounding Caribbean islands. It's time to get on your feet with the bright and tropical tandem of blood orange and guava and feel the soft smoke and heat of chipotle. With flavor sensations of sweet, tart, savory, and spice, each taking their turn and anchored by the robust richness of aged rum. This is an amped up daiquiri with a name that says it all. A Nicaraguan sling, dope as F. We'll leave it there.
She's so good at that, isn't she?
What you're really gonna do is add all the ingredients to the shaker and shake it up. So let's start with the rum. Ernest Hemingway's rum. We love Key West. We love Miami. And this is like a Miami Key West cocktail. I think we chose the perfect rum for this cocktail.
Let me just take a little sniff of it. Yeah.
2 ounces.
Okay.
Maybe a little more.
Yeah.
It might already be.
It's bubble low.
And then we are putting an ounce of the blood orange guava marmalade.
I'm just gonna
Barmalade, excuse me, barmalade. Can I sniff it?
Ooh.
Mmm. 1 ounce. It looks so good.
Oh God, that smells good.
I love me some blood orange. In Epcot, you can get a blood orange margarita.
And it's delicious.
And then we have 5 drops, not dashes, of the chipotle cocktail spice.
Megan, I've always wondered, what's the difference?
My guess is that you let it drop out instead of being like dash, dash. Because like when you do like a dash, it's really like 2 or 3 drops at a time.
Man.
My nails aren't ready for this close-up.
No, it's too much.
Okay.
Okay, God.
It's a science. And then a 1/2 ounce of the citric saline solution. Not for contacts.
Let me smell this too. Nothing. Half? It really, a lot of it poured out.
All right, go ahead. And the final ingredient, 1 ounce of coconut water. I want to open it because it's like a snap.
Huh?
Never from concentrate. Not once.
No. All right.
Okay.
There you
And then it says,
And then you vigorously shake it until it is ice cold and shows frost on the outside for 15 to 30 seconds.
it already shows frost on the outside.
Vigorously shake it. Deacachimba. 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 Deacachimba.
I'm starting to get frostbite.
All right. And then you double strain it.
Okay.
It looks almost syrupy.
Yeah, it does. Are you ready? We'll both try it.
Of course.
Not together, it'll be like, gonna take too much. Ooh, this smells good. You can taste the chipotle spice in it, and also, oh my god, that marmalade. You can really taste the blood orange in it too.
I really like the marmalade. It gives it like
It makes it like kind of.
Yep. There's something like almost like molassesy, but I think it's the marmalade. And super good. I thought that the chipotle was gonna be too much because I don't like smoked or like mezcal kind of flavors, and it's not like that.
Yeah. This pairs really perfectly with it. If you use any other really kind of rum, I mean, you're not getting the full effect of this drink. It's really good with that specific type of rum. I want more. The one thing about this is it can be very deadly because you could drink it very quickly.
It's refreshing.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shaker and Spoon. We love the Deacachimba, and we cannot wait to try more of the cocktails like Kiss of the Ocean, Avocado Colada. I don't know if I said that right, but they all sound good. Stay tuned.
I want to see a bourbon one next. Cheers.
Check out the link in the show notes to get your own box, shakerandspoon.com. Shaker and Spoon subscription craft cocktail box.
All you need to do is add the alcohol.